You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey everybody, what's going on? This is DJ with the Tats Deeds channel. This is my girlfriend Christina.
Hi.
I kind of wanted to do something a little different today, different from what I normally do on my videos. Tina is very arts and craftsy, does a lot of different things around the house, sewing, costume making, things like that. In the last year or so, she's gotten into these, if you guys are familiar with them, these diamond paintings, and basically what they are, they're artworks that have been kind of transposed into a kind of like a pattern layout, and you use these little crystals that are color coded to kind of fill it in and make the paintings. And you're much more experienced with it than I am, so I'll kind of let you explain a little bit more about what they are. And today's kind of a bit of an unboxing of one we got as a gift, and it's already kind of out of the package. We already unboxed it before we decided to make the video, but we'll kind of go through it, and I'll let Tina explain what it is and how she feels about this particular brand versus others that she's tried in the past.
Okay, so basically when I look at these, to me it's like counted cross stitch, if anyone's familiar with that, but it's much quicker using a stylus, which is about so long, with some sticky product to help you put the crystals in the correct spacing. I've done numerous ones, probably about 15 or 20 or so, from multiple different places that I've gotten them from. Some are actually from craft stores themselves. Others I've ordered online, varying sizes from as small as
5x7,
5x7 to an 8x10 picture, to as large as a 16 by 20 picture. There are companies that you can submit your own personal picture to, and they will create it and put it on the canvas for you and give you all of the crystals, which are also called drills, and all of the various colors. You can have them. I think the number of colors are just it's staggering. They can be as large as a full-size poster that you would put on your wall, like a movie-size poster, if anyone is familiar with going to the movies, to as small as a 5x7. The larger size that you do, the more detail you're going to get, the more colors you're going to get, the more vibrant your picture is going to be. So I've done, I'm not even going to say how many different, I don't remember all the different companies that I've used to pull these out, or to process these and put them together and everything. But the one we're looking at today, we got as a gift, and it's from Dreamer Designs, and I've been more impressed with their packaging than any of the other ones that I've sent. I do know that they ship directly from the United States, so while most of the ones that I've ordered are coming from other countries and stuff like that, they're taking anywhere between 15 days to as much as 3 months just to receive the product. The Dreamer Designs come straight from the United States.
So at least for us, those of us in the States, we're getting it quicker. Yes. That may or may not vary depending on if you're ordering outside of the U.S.
Yes, it was a much quicker turnaround, and I actually got this as a gift, but I don't think it took more than maybe 5 days to get. So I was very impressed with how quick it came. I was also very impressed in the packaging. The original boxes that I usually receive them in are very small boxes, and they're just a piece of cardboard with tape on it and a shipping label. This came in a very large, nice size box, and the kit box is here. The item that we're doing is actually, it's a 30 by 30 design, so it's one of the smaller ones. But yeah, so as you can see, the colors are nice and vibrant. There's 40 colors on this one, and they're all very clearly marked down the sides here and the side over here. And
we'll show that a bit
so
more
very vibrant
in a little, either in a later video or later on in this video.
So the other thing that impressed me about the box, it is wrapped in plastic. So if by any chance the outside packaging, which was nice and large and had some actual crush resistant items in it to keep this box from crushing, if it were to get wet or damaged, this extra plastic would give a little more protection to your item, and I'm very impressed with that because I haven't seen anything like that one. And then the design came rolled around a piece of foam which can also be used to help roll down across the picture once you put all your drills on to make sure that they stay flat. And I hadn't seen that one before either. So after, and then it was wrapped in a very lovely light purple ribbon to match their Dreamer Designs box. Just these little details are really, really nice. And the entire kit came in this savable, pretty much waterproof bag that the canvas was rolled up and put in with the ribbon on it, and then all of your drills come completely sorted. And it came with a really, really nice little bag to keep, this is so soft. It's just a little drawstring bag to keep all of your tools in. And it came with so many more accessories than I had expected. I didn't expect it to come with nearly this many accessories. There's tweezers to be able to pluck your drills and put them on, or to just pry them off and shift them if you put it in the wrong place by accident. It came with 2 of the styluses with that signature purple color. This little item here is so that you can straighten out your drills as you put them in. If you notice you've got one that's slightly crooked, you just push down and straighten the line. It's a nice thin item. A multi-tool that will hold 6 drills at a time. 2 trays, most of them only come with 1, to hold your drills as you pour them out, to line them up in these little slots that are nice and here textured, to help you line them up so that you can use the multi-tool if you choose, or you can just do it one at a time and it separates them out very nicely. And it's stamped with their logo, the Dreamer Designs also. Both of them are. So you can have 2 people working at the same time, or you can have 2 different colors available at the same time.
And this is something we'll be working on together. Like I told you guys at the beginning, I have not done one of these yet, so it'll be a first time thing for me. So I think what we'll do now is we'll kind of show you guys the picture itself, and we'll kind of break things out a little bit and show you a little bit more in detail what we've got.
There was a little bit more in this little baggie.
I know.
You have the sticky product that you use to put your drills on with. It's basically a wax, and there were 2 of these. And then they send you a little bag because your prepackaged drills you have to take out and put in these little bags so that because you're not going to do all of one color on the entire picture at one time, so you're going to save them. And you're going to have extras, which is nice too. So they sent enough of those to be able to do the entire colors. Most of the companies that I've seen from, they send you 10. You've got 40, 45 colors on your picture and you only have 10 little baggies. What are you supposed to do with the rest of them? So I liked that they sent so many little baggies, because these are, you can buy them at a craft store, but
it's nice.
It's nice to just have it all in one package so that you don't have to go out and buy extras. Right.
So let's kind of give them a different view here and kind of break down the canvas itself and the utensils and everything you want to do, and a lot of the little extras that you wanted to talk about that you liked that kind of Dreamer Designs has done specific to their brand.
Yeah.
So, go ahead.
Okay, so what we have here is a really good view of the canvas itself. One of the first things I noticed when I opened the package was that the canvas itself is a higher quality than some of the other ones. Most of the other canvases that I've used with feel kind of plasticky. This actually feels like it's a fabric, or perhaps a canvas that you might actually expect to see a painting done on. I'm not a painting artist. I do usually prefer textiles and stuff like that. But this, I really, really enjoyed the way the fabric itself felt. Many of the other designs that I've seen, this plastic coating that you can see here that covers your sticky canvas, it was a clear, this is a clear one. I prefer the clear because I can see my entire picture, as opposed to folding it up and seeing just a little bit of my picture at a time and not knowing what the entire thing looked like. So being able to see all of these vibrant colors coming through and seeing how much work was going to be involved with it, how detailed it was. It does have the color key here, and And one of the other things that came with the Dreamer Designs was another color key that personally I will cut each of these colors out and tape them to my little baggies where I put my drills. Most of the ones that I've seen, all you can really do is cut out your color that's on the package of the drills and tape it on there, which is kind of flimsy. And what do you do with your drills while you're trying to put the number on the baggie? You've already got the drill bag open, and what if they spill? Then you're going to end up with not enough pieces, or you have a kitty cat that will scoot them all over the floor. So as I said, there's 2 styluses, your tweezers, 2 of these, 2 of your trays, this nice little thing, little bags, and this is incredibly soft that you can keep all of your extra things in. So we're going to go ahead and put these pieces in the bag,
okay,
so that they're out of our way while we talk about the rest of it. I didn't know if you wanted to say something.
No.
Okay.
I'll just edit what we're doing right now out.
Okay. So one of the other things is, I know that Dreamer Designs, they pay for the licensing to be able to print these pictures themselves. I know other designers that they're specifically noted on their websites, and they have contracts with those designers, those artists, to be able to print their work. So this looks like it was Light the Way Home, and it was legally licensed from Sagittarius Gallery, and you can see the size and all of that. So the drills do come already separated out. There are 40 colors in here, like I mentioned. So when you look at your long strip of colors, this strip goes from number 1 to number 10. So we have number 1 to number 10, and those colors are going to correspond also. They have the number for the DMC color on here, but the really great thing about this, I noticed, they have all of the drills that you're going to need for this entire package, this entire picture, in one little packet. And to me, that makes a big difference, because many of the other ones that I've seen, they'll have maybe 20 drills in a little packet, and they'll have like 10 or 15 little packets that you have to then open up each little one and put them all in your little bags and with your numbers, or you have to buy larger bags just to hold all of these drills. So I liked that they have all of the drills that you're going to need for these colors in one little bag. And they've got them separated out. They have the actual number as opposed to just the DMC number. So it's a lot easier when you reference your number over here. Okay, I'm going to number 1. Yes, that DMC matches it, but all I really have to do is pick up number 1, and I know that I've got the right color. So that's a big selling feature for me. I really, really like that option. So the next thing we're going to be doing with this is we're going to actually take these out, and I personally am going to cut each of one of these little palettes and put them on my baggies. And then once we get that all filled out, then we can show you guys how you get started on this.
So that was our unboxing of the Dreamer Designs diamond painting. Looking forward to getting into doing this with you. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Definitely looks like a lot of work. While you're taping on all the little baggies and everything like that.
You have to help me with that. That is part of the entire process. You will be helping.
No, I'm drinking a beer.
No. I get a beer, you get a beer, and we both do this.
I don't like this answers. I don't like it.
You.
No, I don't like this at all. But no, I am looking forward to doing this. Like I said, the company name is Dreamer Designs. If you're into this kind of thing, please go look them up. Check them out. They've got some wonderful artists on there. And what we're going to do in later videos is kind of show you guys the progress, how this thing goes together. Tina will be kind of going through and showing you how the little tools work, how the colors go in, what the color codes mean. And, you know, you guys can watch this as it goes along with us and watch the progression. So, thank you guys for watching another video. She has no idea what to say as we close out. I'm DJ. Love you guys. And I'm out.
Bye.